When nature tests your limits, the gear you carry can mean the difference between struggle and survival. We've gathered the best camping survival gears, built for tough conditions and unexpected challenges. From versatile tools to reliable outdoor essentials, each one is designed to keep you prepared, safe, and ready for every adventure ahead. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Number 20. Open Fire Camping Grill. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level with a heavy-duty fire pit grill and skillet combo. Perfect for camping or backyard fun. Built tough yet portable, it offers over 300 square inches of cooking space. The stake-driven system allows easy setup, with adjustable grill and skillet that rotate 360 degrees for precise heat control. Compatible with wood, charcoal, propane, or burners, it's a versatile solution for open fire cooking. Number 19. Solar Charger Power Bank. Power up anywhere with a rugged solar charger built to handle the outdoors. Water-resistant, shock-proof, and dust-proof. Complete with carabiner, compass, and dual LED flashlight. It supports solar and outlet charging with Type-C output to charge up to 3 devices at once. Eco-friendly and safety certified, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Lightweight, durable, and reliable, it keeps you connected when it matters most. Number 18. Soulout Sleeping Bag. A great night outdoors starts with the right gear. This 3 to 4 season sleeping bag keeps you warm, dry, and comfortable, whether camping, hiking, or traveling. Its waterproof yet breathable design protects from dampness while allowing airflow. Lightweight and easy to pack, it's perfect for carrying anywhere. With a roomy envelope shape, it gives both adults and kids the comfort they need to rest and recharge under the stars. Number 17. Solar-powered water filter. Stay prepared anywhere with a portable water filter that delivers safe, clean water in seconds. Its Micron ultrafiltration system removes 99.9999% of harmful particles, while multiple power options, solar, USB, and hand crank, ensure reliability off-grid. Compact yet powerful, it provides up to 30,000 liters of purified water, features LED and SOS lighting, and doubles as an emergency charger, perfect for camping, hiking, survival, or travel. Number 16. Near Zero Survival Shovel. Turn outdoor challenges into simple tasks with a durable titanium alloy shovel built for strength and versatility. Its sharpened edge handles chopping wood, digging or clearing snow with ease, while the quick-release pin makes setup effortless. Compact and lightweight, it fits in a backpack and even doubles as a frying pan over the fire. Includes a safety cover and washable storage bag for convenience. Number 15. Etekcity Camping Lantern. Light up any dark situation with a collapsible LED lantern designed for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Featuring 30 bulbs with 360-degree illumination. It delivers up to 154 lumens and runs for 50 hours on AA batteries. Compact, lightweight, and water-resistant, it's built with durable ABS material and FCC certified. Easy to use and portable, it even includes a top compartment for storing small essentials. Number 14. Long-range walkie-talkies. Stay connected anywhere with compact two-way radios offering 22 channels and 99 privacy codes, giving over 2,000 combinations to block interference. Hands-free VOX mode makes communication effortless, while a backlit LCD screen and built-in LED flashlight keep you ready for day or night use. Lightweight, durable, and easy to carry with a belt clip, they're perfect for camping, trips, or outdoor adventures with family and friends. Number 13. Fire Starter Survival Tool. Ignite a fire instantly, even in heavy rain or strong winds, with a survival torch designed for reliability. Combining ferrorod, striker, wick, and bellow into one tool, it delivers powerful sparks for quick ignition. Durable enough for thousands of strikes or hours of burn time, it works even after being soaked. Compact and dependable, it's a must-have for camping, hiking, bushcraft, or emergency survival. Number 12. Vented Chest Seal. Be prepared for emergencies with a vented chest seal designed to treat penetrating chest injuries and prevent lung collapse. Featuring a 4-vent system, it allows air to escape during exhalation, while blocking it in inhalation. Strong adhesive ensures a reliable seal, even on sweaty or hairy skin. With easy 2-tab application and transparent backing for quick checks, it's compact enough to fit into any tactical first aid kit. Number 11. Titanium Emergency Whistle. A reliable safety tool, this titanium survival whistle is waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and built to last in any environment. It delivers a sharp, 120 decibel sound, perfect for signaling help or communication outdoors. Compact and lightweight at just 6.7 grams, it's easy to carry with the included paracord. Wear it, clip it, or keep it on your keychain. Ideal for survival, camping, hiking, or rescue situations. Package includes 2 gray whistles with paracords. Number 10. Waterproof Dry Bag. Stay prepared for wet conditions with a rugged waterproof backpack designed to protect your gear from rain, splashes, or brief immersion. Built with thick, high-density, and reinforced seals, it's durable and reliable for the outdoors. A 35-liter capacity provides space for essentials, a laptop, and a separate wet compartment for damp items. Quick-drying fabric, padded straps, and chest support ensure comfort, making it an ideal camping survival gear choice. Number 9. AOFAR Military Compass. Stay on course with a tough military-style compass designed for all weather. With a liquid-filled capsule, luminous arrow, and 360-degree scale, it offers precise navigation every time. Built from durable zinc die cast, it's waterproof, shake-proof, and equipped with a prism lens for added accuracy. Compact and portable, it includes a pouch and lanyard, making it a must-have for camping, hiking, and survival. Number 8. Mosquito headnet. Bugs can quickly ruin any outdoor trip, but a breathable black mesh headnet keeps them off your face, neck, and ears while staying lightweight and comfortable. The fine mesh offers clear visibility without glare and allows airflow to keep you cool. With a packable pouch and adjustable drawstring, it fits easily over most hats, perfect for hiking, fishing, or summer camping. Number 7. Thermal Emergency Blanket. Staying warm in survival situations can be life-saving, and lightweight mylar blankets help retain up to 90% of body heat. Compact and easy to carry, they serve multiple purposes: ground cover, shelter, or protection against hypothermia. Tear-resistant and reusable, they fit into backpacks, cars, or emergency kits without bulk, making them essential for camping, hiking, or disaster preparedness. Number 6. Wrist-mounted GPS navigator. A rugged wrist-mounted GPS built to military standards ensures reliability in any terrain. With IPX7 water resistance, night vision compatibility, and advanced sensors like a 3-axis compass, barometric altimeter, and accelerometer, it delivers precise navigation. Multiband reception boosts accuracy, while stealth and jumpmaster modes enhance safety. A kill switch protects data, and the included portable power bank keeps it charged for extended outdoor missions. Number 5. Pocket Knife Multi-Tool. A versatile 15-in-1 multi-tool combines knife, pliers, screwdrivers, saw, and more. Perfect for everyday tasks, camping, or survival. Made from premium stainless steel with a black oxide finish, it's built for durability. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, while the liner lock keeps tools safe in use. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in a pocket or pack, making it a dependable tool for outdoor adventures. Number 4. Perimeter Trip Alarm. Keeping your campsite secure can be the difference between safety and vulnerability. A compact perimeter trip alarm uses a spring-loaded design that discharges a 12-gauge blank when its trip line is activated, instantly signaling intrusions. Lightweight yet effective, it offers flexible setup options and dependable protection. Ideal for campers, preppers, and survivalists, it's a smart way to safeguard your perimeter in the outdoors. Number 3. Venom Gaiter V2. Protecting your legs in the wild is crucial, and these rugged gaiters are designed for maximum defense. Crafted from PU, coated 500D nylon with double-stitched seams, they include a fang shield proven against snake bites, reinforced stress points, heavy-duty zippers, and quick-adjust straps ensure durability and a secure fit. Available in camouflage, they're ideal for hunters, hikers, and survivalists navigating tough, unpredictable terrain. Number 2. Musen Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Adventure feels better with a compact Bluetooth speaker that delivers crystal-clear sound and ultimate portability. Easily clip it to a backpack, hang it in a tent, or attach it to bike handlebars. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures fast pairing, stable connection, and low power use. With 8-hour battery life, waterproof design, and 3 flashlight modes, it's the perfect outdoor companion for hiking, camping, or parties. Number 1. Alpari Puffer Jacket. Why choose between lightweight comfort and extreme warmth when you can have both? Engineered with inspiration from NASA technologies, this advanced puffer jacket weighs just 1 kilogram, yet keeps you cozy in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Crafted with graphene, aerogel, and a Teflon coating, it's antibacterial, anti-static, dirt-resistant, and machine-washable. With 9 functional pockets, it blends innovation, durability, and practicality for all conditions. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.